Before we got our Ritello, bedtime was a sneeze fest. My youngest would cough for an hour because her room was full of dust and pet dander from our dog. I later learned indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, and kids spend most of their time breathing that. Now I run the Ritello in her room while we pick up toys. The water basin traps the dust and allergens, and the HEPA neutralizer helps polish the air instead of blowing it back out. Watching her fall asleep without rubbing her eyes feels like a miracle. If you're over allergy life like we were, call the Goodbye Allergy Guy at 828-855-1511.